Here we are preparing for our second launch of the day, this time with the C6-5 engine. The initial launch was with this B6-4 rather. Yeah. B6-4. And now, we're going to launch one of these bad boys, C6-5.
Let's do a go, no go before launch. It'll be fine.
Here we have the new C6-5 rocket on the pad. Let's get ready for liftoff. All right, this is mission control. Rocket is live. We are connected and safeties are off.
All right, flight. Telemetry.
Go.
Wadding.
We are go.
All right.
Insert launch key.
Launch key inserted and armed.
Countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition.